Hello guys, today I'm going to show you 4 charts. Speaking about Bitcoin, I have to say sorry for my English. It's not perfect, absolutely, but I'm good at trading. So listen what I have to say, okay guys? Let's start from this one. I'm using a lot trend line, but this is not the only the analysis that I used to do. As you can see here, we are on the weekly BTC USDC. We are finding resistance on this trend line, the orange one. As you can see, we touch it perfectly. We had a rejection. Let's see where this trend line did start. I make it start from this spot. Okay, you can see the last bounce before the second part of the bear market in 2022. Okay, body of the candle. I took as a second anchor point the final push of this movement starting from September 2023 up to March 24. As you can see, it is working perfectly as a resistance now. Then we have another trend line starting from here. We are in December 2020, and I took as a second anchor point this consolidation zone, okay, the bottom, always the body of the candle, okay, to avoid noise. We don't need it. We have a lot of noise with the price behavior of Bitcoin lately. So the blue line, it worked as a support. If you check, if you look at the body of the candle, forgive the shadow, okay? We have other levels, we have Fibonacci to identify the shadows, but we can use the trend line to identify the real move of the Bitcoin price, okay? So we are in the middle. Call it a consolidation zone. It happened here. It happened also here, okay? And going back, we have another big consolidation period here. Then I have another trend line on the bottom that define the second part, the lower part of this consolidation, okay? We have another consolidation inside here, and we have another consolidation inside here. So you can call it, absolutely call it consolidation zone, okay, guys? Now, we start taking a look of all the charts, and then we step on the forecast, okay, price prevision, price forecast. I don't know how to say that, sorry, guys, in English. Okay, I have this other chart. Let's analyze for first the cycle from October 20 to March 2022. Okay, we have this trend line, always bottom of the candles, okay, the body of the candles, guys. It's important. As you can see, when we broke it down, we try to get back in the higher zone, okay, the strength zone, rejection. We try a second time, another rejection, and then we started with the second part of the bear market. It's happening again, okay? I have this trend line starting from October 2023, second anchor point in September 2024. It's happening again. As you can see, we broke it. We are trying to get back on the strength zone, okay? If you want to do something like that, just move this trend line, you can notice how the pattern that we had before is very similar to the pattern that we have now. So if nothing strange happen, we can easily see or a push up going to test this trend line. We are on the resistance on the first one, okay? We can go to test the second one. We are at 102.5K. This is a strong resistance, guys. I'm sure we will get there. I'm not sure if we are starting from here. I think it's probable that we'll see. This is my entry point for a try, because I'm not convinced yet that the bull market is finished. Okay, I'm not convinced at all. We have too much changement in the market. I'm sure you know about Vanguard, about JP Morgan. There are a lot of strange movement behind the Shin. I don't know how to say. Sorry, guys. Forgive me. So we are going up now. We have 98K as a resistance. We have the strongest one at 102.5, okay, K. But if we don't have enough strength to go up from here, I'm pretty sure we will go to visit this area, okay, this price area between 77K, lower 77K, and 73K, which is the top, the shadow of this top at 73.5. Okay, guys. For me, this area is very, very, very strong. It could be the beginning of the second part of the bull market. I'm not sure yet, but I think the classic 4-year cycle gonna be different this time. Okay, guys, gonna be different. We have liquidity coming in. We have Powell going out in March. We have the quantitative tightening ending, already ended the 1st December. I'm sure soon we will see quantitative easing. Guys, it's not, the bull market is not finished. Otherwise, to say yes, it's finished, I need to see 70K, below 70K. And then I will say yes. Okay, sorry guys, we are going to 48, 44K. As for now, not sure yet. Okay, let's check another chart. I'm sure you know what this chart represents. We are on the daily BTC USD. We have the descending trend line, this one. We have to take a look at this trend line. It will work as a resistance for sure at 98.5K. And we have the bottom part, the lower part of this channel as a resistance. There is a confluence. So maybe it's probable we will go to visit this zone, okay, finding our resistance, weakness, going down, going to find the zone we were speaking about before. So this zone here, around 73, 77K. And if we are lucky, we'll get a bounce, not a bounce, we'll go to visit the all-time high. Targeting the first target is 130K. This is my opinion. Everything will be invalidated below this level, okay? Below the 71K, go inside this zone. I don't know, we will see, but I'm waiting for this level, okay, guys? So as for now, 3 target, the next one will be 98K. Then we have again 102.5K. If we are going down, sure, we will find support around 75K. Let's get back on this chart, okay, guys? As you can see, I have Fibonacci levels that I draw in a different way, starting from different spots. I took as a start of the first Fibonacci, the level 1, I took the final candle after this push up in November 2024. And then as a second anchor point going down, I took the body of those 2 candles at September 2024. As you can see, I have this level. I love this level. The 0.5, that is 76.5K. It is right in the middle of this shadow, as you can see. If we want to draw the same trend line that we drew before, there is a confluence, guys, a perfect confluence with this level. So again, this zone, starting from the 76, higher 76, going below to 71, I don't like it, but let's take it in consideration, okay? We have a strong area of support, okay? This area for me is something like gold. Okay, I will try along. Let's see if we get there, how we get there, if we have news behind. Okay, but I will take a look at this area. Going lower, but I don't want to go lower. We have this trend line. It's a very strong trend line. It started from, let's see, May 2020. Second spot here in August 2020. Going forward, we have the top of this small consolidation in May 2022. And the top of this consolidation in December 2023, guys. As you can see, this trend line worked perfectly as a support here. So if we find a lot of weakness, we can absolutely take in consideration this zone. Okay, I know I'm giving you entry spot. Okay, not financial advice. Obviously, I'm not an authorized financial, I don't know, in English, consultant, I don't know. But yeah, I have a lot of 11 years of experience. So listen to me, okay? We have the first one here between 71.5, I don't like it, and 77K, this zone. Better if we don't go below 73. Okay, better. But we have another strong, very strong support at 75K. Hopefully, we won't go there. Hopefully, but remember this level because we will go there. This is a bouncing zone. Okay, this is a bouncing spot. Absolutely. That's it for today. Hopefully, I will get better speaking English. Because I can listen and understand almost everything, but I'm not used to speak a lot in English. So, okay, guys, for today I say everything that I want to say. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know how bad is my English, and see you on the next video, probably tomorrow. Okay, guys, bye. See you. Thank you.